Do you ever feel like you are stuck, like you are on the wrong path? Well, you are not alone. Have you got rejected in an interview? Have you failed in a project? Have you failed in a business? Failure is just a pit spot, not the destination. One of my friends who faced failure head on, he used to think success was a straight line, but it's more like a winding road full of detours. He decided to change his path. He attended workshops and met people and explored different opportunities. Sometimes failure is a sign that you are on the wrong path. Embrace the change. He found his true passion. He realized failure was just a redirection towards his purpose. So, if you have failed, don't be discouraged. It might just be a sign to change your path and find where you truly belong. Remember, it's okay to fail. It's not the end, it's a new beginning. Your success story is waiting you on a different path. All the best. Try it in this new year. Have a nice day. Follow me for more. Thank you.